Hi friends, welcome to Let's Accelerate. My name is Tariq and today I'm back again with a customizing quick access toolbar. So guys, in the previous video we discussed about the types of button in the ribbon tabs and also learned how to access the ribbon tabs with the keyboard. In this video we will be discussing about the quick access toolbar. Although ribbon is quite well organized, but many users prefer to have certain commands available all the times without clicking a tab. The solution is to customize your quick access toolbar. So how to navigate your command on it, we will be learning today in the depth. Before we start, let me inform you that if you want to learn Excel from scratch to advance, then you can watch this series from the beginning, and don't forget to subscribe our channel if you're watching this on YouTube, and if you're watching this video on Facebook, then don't forget to like and follow our page. So not wasting much time, let's get started. So guys, the quick access toolbar appears on the left side of the title bar above the ribbon. So you can display the quick access toolbar below the ribbon. All you need to do is to just click the quick access toolbar drop down control button and choose show below the ribbon. But there is a good and bad effect by displaying the quick access toolbar below the ribbon, because it provides a bit more room for icons, but it also means that you see less row of your worksheet. Quick access toolbar cannot be made free floating like other dialog box or something, so you can't move it into your convenient location. It always appears either above or below the ribbon. So let me send it back to above the ribbon. So you can also open this drop down control by right click, and you can send it back to the above the ribbon. Although command on the quick access toolbar always appear as small icons with no text, but there is an exception to this rule, is a drop down controls button that display text. Let me give you the example. If you add font control from home, it appears as a drop down control in the quick access toolbar like this. Let me add this, and it is showing the text. Similarly, this option is also appears as the text because it has a drop down. Guys, if you're not aware about the types of buttons in the Excel, so you can watch our video related to the types of button. I have shared the link of that video in the description as well as icon. So if you're not sure about any button added on the quick access toolbar, so when you hover your mouse over the icon, you can see the screen tip showing the name of the command and brief description if it has. So by default, the quick access toolbar contains three tools: save the active workbook manually. You can save it like this, and undo. So this is the reverse. You can reverse the effect of the last 100 actions with the help of undo or Control Z. And we have redo, reverse the effect of the last action, last undo. You can customize the quick access toolbar by adding or removing commands. If you find that you use some Excel command frequently, you can make these commands easily accessible by adding them to your quick access toolbar. You can also rearrange the order of your icon according to your requirement. And the good news is that there is no limit to the number of commands that you can add. The quick access toolbar always display only a single line of icons. Let me add multiple commands in this. So now I have added multiple commands, multiple buttons in the quick access toolbar, and like I said, the quick access toolbar always display only a single line of icons. If the number of icons exceeds the Excel window width, like this, it is happening over here, it displays an additional icon at the end. You can see that this is an additional icon that is showing the more controls. So you can click the more control icon and see the hidden quick access toolbar icon appear in the pop-up window or in the next window. So you can see that in the other window. So this is how we can utilize that. So now the question is how to add new commands to the quick access toolbar. So I'll show you the 3 different ways to add new commands to quick access toolbar. Before I show you this option, I'll have to remove these commands. So now I have removed all the commands, added extra commands that I added for your examples. Now I'll show you the 3 different ways to add new commands to the quick access toolbar. So the very first thing is click the quick access toolbar, the drop down control. So you need to click on the quick access toolbar drop down. The list contains a few commonly used commands. Select a command from the list and add it to your quick access toolbar like this. This is the first way to add the commands or the buttons to the quick access toolbar. So the second option is you need to right click any control on the ribbon and add a quick access toolbar. So what I'll do is I'll right click over here and I'll find add to quick access toolbar and I'll click on it and I can see that. And I can also add from the data I want to add this sort. I can right click on sort and add to quick access toolbar. So now it is not showing the name, it's just showing the icon. So this is how I can add this. So when you add something on the quick access toolbar, it positions to the right of the last control. So the third option is use the quick access toolbar tab in the Excel option dialog box. So a quick way to access the dialog box is to right click and click on the more commands, and another way is to click on any icon and click on customize the quick access toolbar. And the third way is to you need to click on file, go to options, and you need to click quick access toolbar. So we have 3 options. So I use the more command option. So the left side of the dialog box displays a list of Excel commands and the right side shows the command currently on the quick access toolbar. And above the command list on the left is the choose command from drop down list, from which you can filter the list. Select an item from the drop down list and it displays only the command for that item like this. I just click the command not in the ribbon, popular command, it shows that item. So let me elaborate the items in the choose command from option, or you can say the drop down list. And the very first and the common and the default item is the popular command that displays commonly used command by Excel users. So that next we have command not in the ribbon, and this displays a list of command that you can't access from the ribbon. Many but not all are obsolete or not very useful. And the third one we have all commands, displays a complete list of Excel commands. And the fourth one we have is macros, and this displays a list of all available macros. And the fourth one we have is the file tab, and this file tab displays the command available in the backstage view. In addition to this, you can also choose command from the drop down list contains an item for every other tab, including the contextual tab. So if you don't know what is contextual tab, so watch our video types of tabs, link has been given in the description and eye icon. So to add an item to your quick access toolbar, select it from the list on the left and click add. Like I just want to add this one, click add, and this is how I can add it. And if you want to change the location of your quick access toolbar, if you want to show it below the ribbon, you can click over here and click OK after adding all the buttons you want to add and hit enter or click OK. You can see that command is showing over here. I just let me send it back to above the ribbon. Now suppose you have already added all the command but you want to arrange in your order. So if you want to change the order of your quick access toolbar icon, what you can do is you can go back to the more command and you can change the order. Like I just want to see the new file from above the save. So I click the new file and I click up button and I can send it over here. Like I just want to see the email to the bottom, I can select the email and I can click until it goes down and I click OK. So now I want to remove the quick access toolbar icons. The easiest way to remove an icon from your quick access toolbar is to right click the icon and choose remove from your quick access toolbar. You can also use the quick access toolbar tab of the Excel options dialog box. Like this, I am going to more command and I'm selecting the email and I'm removing it and click OK. So this is how I can remove it. Now suppose if I want to reset the quick access toolbar, I just don't want these extra commands, I just want to reset. So if you want to return the quick access toolbar to its default state, display the quick access toolbar of the Excel option dialog box and click the reset button, and then you can choose reset only quick access toolbar. The quick access toolbar then displays 3 default commands like this. So this is how we can rearrange, remove and reset our quick access toolbar. So this was all about the quick access toolbar. In the next video we will be learning how to access dialog box with the keyboard. So if you think that this video was helpful, so please like and share your video with your friends, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel if you're watching this on YouTube, and if you're watching this video on Facebook, so please follow and like our page and keep watching. That's Access. Thank you very much.